Totally awesome.
Ready?
We're ready for duty, sir.
I got my recorder / flute.
Glad to be serving with you.
I'm glad to see the recruits are very young this year. You are brave young men. You will be honored. You will be remembered for eternity, because we will be immortal after this battle. Do you understand what I just said?
Yes.
It's okay. So we march along the road. Let some of these horseless carriages see us. Look at that soldier. That's a soldier to be proud of. Follow me. We will walk along the road. Son, we got to get those wounds cleaned up.
Hey, you want a soldier marching with you?
Is my blood still showing?
Or no?
Let's go. We're going to march along the road.
Daddy, is my blood still showing?
Yes.
Up here?
Yes.
Oh, you're not ready yet?
Yes, it looks good. Wait, I need to get this from the right angle.
Where do we go?
My maps are correct.
About 11.
Excellent. Drums, please. Give a hoot. Don't pollute. Those skies. Those are battlefield skies.